hope you guys like them. I think they're really, really pretty, and they're so, guys, you saw me, so easy, super easy to make. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. Today I am going to be making some projects using a lovely digital kit from Gayle Agostinelli, which has got a Facebook group and an Etsy shop called Cinnamon Tea. And Gayle give me this kit just to make some project with it, so I'm really excited to showcasing. This kit is called Legal Edger, and you get 5 pages of this gorgeous handwritten piece of paper. They're all numbered as well, so I have printed them on a really thick cardstock, so you have 5 of those. I absolutely adore the handwriting. It's gorgeous. So I printed 5 on an A4 sheet, and then what I did, I scaled them in half, and I have this size as well, and I have of course 3 pages because it's 5 in total, so it's 2, 2 and 1. And I also scaled them 50% even further, and I got these little mini pages, which I will probably make some tags with it. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I'm gonna make with those. Okay, so I made some pages which do work as a pocket as well. So you got the entire page, and then on each side you got a pocket, so you can pop anything that you like in there. I really like it, so I used some images from the Antiquarian Stickler book. That's the book. I'm going through that book really quickly actually, so let me show you what I made. So I made 1, they're all the same, literally same sizes and everything. I just played with different images because the background is so amazing with this amazing handwriting. You just need to put a couple of pictures, or you can just leave them like that. But I thought with these floral pictures and animals, it just make it pop out, like stand out even more. I love those too. Right, let me show you what I made. And this is such an easy mass making project. You can just sit down and make tons of it. Because it's so simple. So I'm just using that as a guide. So you get the full page, you know, the big one that we printed on A4. You want to try to split into 3 parts, and you basically fold the third part, 1 on the third on the middle, so it looks like that, and then just burnish it. Okay, so kind of, you can measure if you want, but I use it, I just eyeball it, kind of like think of a third and a third, and then we're going to distress it all because I don't like to see, I do like to see the white a bit, but not a lot. And when you distress it, make sure with a sponge you go all over it, so you create this really nice brown border, because as I said, I just don't like that you see a lot of white. So, and I'm putting quite a lot of pressure on the sponge as well. Do this one. So this sort of project, I mean, I made, how long did it take me? About 15 minutes, 20 minutes to make 4, but I wasn't really concentrating because I was watching some YouTube channel on the background. I was kind of like making it, looking at the video, and then carry on making it and looking at the video. So, but this sort of project are so relaxing because you can do them when you watch the telly, or again more YouTube channel, or when you're doing something that, you know, kind of like on a background. They're so easy. So that's one, and then the one that I scaled 50%, that's going to go on top of that. So I kind of cut it. Again, I'm not measure because, as you guys know, I don't measure anything because I'm not aiming for perfection. This is not a channel. Oops, you see, because I'm clumsy. This is not a channel that everything turns out perfect and great. I'm all about having fun and experiment and trying new things rather than make sure it looks on point and like 100% perfect. And as you can see, none of these pages are straight, but I couldn't care less personally. So yeah, so let me move that out of the way. So distress the edges on that as well, and then what I'm going to do on two side, so on the longer side, we're just going to put some double side tape. I mean, you can use glue, but it's so much quicker doing it with the tape, because in 2 secs you just peel it off, and then you know that it's going to stay. It's kind of like, again, like eyeball it and then press it down. And then what I did as well with my 1-inch punch, I just punch to whoop, again trying to make sure they're even on both sides. Then going back again with my sponge and kind of distress that as well, that side and that side. And last, we're just going to put a tiny bit of double side tape on the edge of that. And that's it, guys, and that's, you get your pocket. Remove that out of the way because it's very noisy. Okay, what you can do, guys, is you can make this as a tag, so you can, you know, cut the little tag in there and put a hole in the middle, or you can just leave it as a page, or you can glue that on your journal page and create a pocket there as well, so you can just put things in there. So I'm just gonna put, I'm not decided, to be fair, what to put in it. I'm just gonna kind of go with the flow, see if I can find anything that I like. Oh, that's huge. It's gorgeous, but it's too big. So I want something. Oh, that's nice. Let's get that. So I thought I could probably put that there. That's cute. What do you guys think? I think it goes. So the back is the letters, and then I like that butterfly. Bread. I quite like him. Let's get him here. Or should we pop him? No, on the bottom there. Then we need something there, maybe something little in the corner. Definitely want a butterfly. Should we get this one that goes nicely with the color of the bird? Let's get that one. Let's pop that in there. And I want something little tiny in the corner. Let's go for that. Oh, what's going on? There. Okay, let me move the book out the way. So that's it, done. Hope you guys like them. I think they're really, really pretty, and they're so, guys, you saw me, so easy, super easy to make. Pick a favorite. Mine would be this one with the lady. I want to say, yeah, maybe her. Yeah, let's pick that. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, because I will support the video doing well, because you're telling YouTube that you like what I make. And usually, guys, you'll find me on Instagram and on my Facebook group as well. And check it out for my Friday freebie. that gets sent out on a weekly basis to your to my newsletter. So if you're not joined already, please feel free to join my newsletter, and you get weekly news and as well a little treat. Once again, thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.